As many Americans feel the pinch of inflation, startup companies in the tech space are trying to stay afloat. Joining me now is to discuss it all is Pacaso Homes CEO and co-founder Austin Allison. Austin, thanks for joining us. Just saw the news today, 4 straight months of declines in the Case-Shiller home price index. In the tech world, you see layoffs being announced. Their stocks have gotten pummeled. You are right at the intersection of tech and real estate, and yet you're maintaining a positive mental attitude. Why is that?
Well, thanks for having me, James. You know, you have to maintain a positive mental attitude, but I think it's important to remember that, you know, technology is a big industry and it spans lots of sectors. What I can speak to is what we're seeing in the real estate technology space. And, you know, times have changed, but I would describe it as a return to normalcy. What we experienced over the course of the last couple of years was not normal. You know, homes selling in a couple of days for multiples over ask is not sustainable. What we're seeing now is a return to normalcy. So when you see the headlines that real estate is down 30% year over year, what's important to remember is that real estate transactions are actually still up quite a bit when compared to pre-pandemic levels. The area that we focus on is up 152%. As an example. So I think it's important to take all this in context and make sure that whether you're serving the real estate industry or another sector, that you're focused on delivering value for the customer.
Okay, and your company sells high-end homes, I think generally vacation homes, but you don't buy the whole home, you buy a piece of it.
Yeah, that's right. The easiest way to get your mind around it is think about Pacaso like carpooling for second homes. We enable up to 8 families to pool their resources together and co-own a beautiful luxury second home, but share all the cost and share all the hassle, because when you own a whole second home by yourself, it's a lot of headache and a lot of cost. With Pacaso, we manage every detail, everything from bill pay to maintenance to design and furnishing. And one of the things that we're seeing in this environment is as interest rates have gone up, whole home affordability has gone down, meaning it's more expensive today for people to afford a home because interest rates are higher than they were in the past. So we're actually starting to see a lot of people gravitate towards whole home or co-ownership because you can afford a lot more home when you own it with other people than when you buy the whole thing by yourself.
Okay, now I'm not sure how this differs from sort of a traditional timeshare, but I know one thing you talk about is you say easy scheduling when you want to go visit the home. How can it be easy if you've got a bunch of other owners who also have a claim on it?
Technology. We've pioneered a proprietary application we call the feature Smart Stay, which enables people to share access to the calendar in a fair and equitable way. So if you own 1/8 of the home, Smart Stay will ensure that you get 1/8 of the peak season, 1/8 of the non-peak season, and 1/8 of the holidays. So to be clear, you're not going to get 100% of the calendar because you don't own 100% of the home, but you're going to get, you know, 80 to 90% of what you would like out of the calendar for about 80% less cost and 100% less hassle.
Okay, those homes look like a nice place to be right now. Thanks, Austin, for joining us.
Thanks, James.